Hello, my name is Ukulele. Today I'd like to teach you how to play Girl Like You by Maroon5. First I'm going to explain the chords, each chords. Then later I'm explain about the introduction part. I just play it for you in the first part of the video. So let's get started with the chords. The chords you need is very simple, just 4 chords. The first chord you need to know is C. With your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the bottom string, that's C. The next chord is G. With a point finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, with a middle finger on the 2nd fret of the bottom string, and with your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, that's G. The next chord is A minor. With a middle finger on the 2nd fret of the top string, that's A minor. The next chord is F. Add your point finger to this, A minor shape. So basically, with a point finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string, with a middle finger, it's the same as A minor, by the way. Put it on the 2nd fret of the top string, that's F. For this song, these 4 chords are circulated all the way through the song. So just play like this. Just repeat this one and that will make whole song. So here's a clip, me singing this song. Just using 4 chords, just circulating the same chords. After this singing part, I will teach you how to play the introduction part.
Spend 24 hours, I need more hours with you. You spend a weekend getting even, ooh. You spend the late nights making things right between us. Now it's all good, babe. Roll that backward, babe. Play me close. Cause girl like you run around guys like me. Sound that when I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you laugh, yeah, me too. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Maybe 6:45, maybe I'm barely alive. Maybe you take my shit for the last time. Maybe I know that I'm drunk, maybe I know you're the one. Maybe I've been thinking it's better if you drive. Cause girl like you running on guys like me. Sound that when I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah. Girls like you laugh, yeah, me too. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah.
So let's get started with the introduction part. I just played with my thumb so that you can see it clearly. So first note is this one, 3rd string, just once, then 5 times with the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, then 1st fret of the 2nd string, take it off, and 2nd string, again, third string, again this chord, this one, third string, second string, so all the way up here, okay, the next one, again third string, this note, so with the middle finger on the second fret with third string and pick third, second, third, second, goes like this. So I will slow it down from the top to bottom. Did you get it? So in order to make it sound like this, so you can pick here with your point finger nail, okay? When you play this note, you can just down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up with your point finger, with your nail. You know, if you do this here, it's really hard to do. So I recommend you to pick here, like around here, around the, you know, bridge of your ukulele. So that sounds better. Okay, just play with your fingernail. Then that sounds like the original version. That's the end of the, you know, tutorial. I hope you like it. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.